Hello guys and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to be doing a few quick spring DIYs, and right here I have two, um, I guess you would call them a cardboard. It may remind you of a picture frame that you can sit down, but right here I'm removing the metal piece from the board, and then later I'm going to add the sheets that I got, some scrap paper from Hobby Lobby, and I will be adding that to this. I was having a little problem with the metal piece. I really didn't want to ruin it, and so I ended up getting my scraper to remove the metal from there. I was trying to do it with the scraper from my Cricut machine, but just wasn't quite strong enough. But I did remove it and had to sand it a little bit, but it works out. And so I'm gonna just show you the sheets that I got from Hobby Lobby that I add something very quick and simple. Would be surprised at things that we can do to add to our decor to make it look really nice. Turn something simple into something beautiful is what we do. And I am so sorry. I had adjusted my camera so many times. It was just like an off day. I don't know whether you guys ever have, like, no matter what you do, it seems like off. And that was one of these camera days, I call them. Um, so here I'm just measuring the board so I can cut it out and add the scrap paper to the front of it. And it was some cute scrap paper. I don't know what happened to the first part of my footage. I guess I lost it not realizing it, but you will get an opportunity to see it. And I add a little bow to it. And what I decided to do with this, instead of the Mod Podge, I added, I used the glue sticks, which I do like them when you're doing little quick projects like this, and you get bang for your bucks here. It's four in there for the $1.25. So I just add it onto my board, and then I add the paper, and it give you a smooth finish is what I really love. So, and I thought this sheet was very cute here that I got from Hobby Lobby, and just added a little bow. And that's what I said, something just simple as a board, and you add your little bow to it, and that's it. I trim away some of the little paper that was left behind there and just add my bow to it. And I bought these ribbons from the Dollar Tree, and I used them for Valentine's Day. And so much of the things that we buy for Valentine's Day, sometimes we can bring it right up into our spring decor. And I find myself able to use a lot of my Valentine decors for springtime. So I just add a bow, add the little bow there, and I thought it was really cute. And this is something if you want to sit it on your tier tray or just sit it with some of your other summer spring decors. It just adds to it. And I did end up placing it on my fireplace with my other spring decors, and I thought it turned out really cute. And this other one is the pink plaid that I add to the board. Did the same thing, and it turned out, as I said, it turned out cute as well. I was trying to think at one moment I was going to add some words to it, but I decided to just leave it be, and it turns out I like it that way. And here I'm going to just add the same little bow there, and it makes it a nice little spring decor. You can sit, and even if you decide with some of the things that you make to keep it up year round and just change out your bows, you can even do that. It turns out nice either way. Okay, and right here, I have these carrots I got from the Dollar Tree, and I do add some of my um, I have materials. These little pieces of material I ordered them from Amazon, and they're small, so you have to almost piece them together. It's not, none of them are the same, so you kind of have to mix and match it or cut it in a way that you're able to use, the same one. So I was able to cut it and then be able to piece it together. And this one I found, which is nice. It had a picture of a little bunny, and I really like that. And it's just some nice little material. I got it, as I say, from Amazon. Someone said they had seen a pack of it from Walmart, but I didn't see it, and which I did, of course, I didn't look for it, but I ordered this from Amazon, and I liked it. The look that it gave for the little carrots, something that you can add, to your spring decor, put on your tier trays. I really liked it, and I kind of pieced it together here, but it turns out still to be cute. And I put my the little string around it, and it turns out, really cute. I was going to use the cord, but it was a little thick, so I said I didn't really want to use that. And I don't know why I'm calling it the little screen and all, and all of that. It just slipped my mind just that quick. Um, but it turned out really cute, the finishing of it. And I also add some material to one, and one I finished off camera that I use with the scrap paper as well. And right here I had a spring box I had from last year. So I just added some cute little spring flowers to it this year to add to my decor. And I think it came out really cute. And this is the finishing of my spring box, and with the cute spring flowers. I just thought it came out really, really, really nice. And this is my board that we did with the flowers and the little carrots here that we did. I thought it all came out so cute. And I added that one off screen, off camera. And this is what I made last year, fake cake out of a party box. And this is the other boards. And I just thought they all came out so cute. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thank you.